what is it in financial services that operational resilience involves. And from a regulatory standpoint, it's about being able to withstand operational disruption events, so things that might affect the ability to deliver critical business services. So then we took it to the rugby analogy to say, you know, what would happen if your team was disrupted, so your bus was late, or one of your squad was taken out at the start of the game? How well do you respond to that event? Can you continue to deliver the critical service, which is playing on the field, having a team on the field, and ultimately then delivering a winning squad?
Yeah, and I think the same token in terms of sometimes it's about winning, sometimes it's just about staying in the game. And one of the key themes as well is about leadership, ensuring that you have leaders who are empowered but also humble and understand the culture in which they operate, are able to step back sometimes and look at what the risks are they face, who's in the opposing team, and the same applies. So where are the threats coming from? Look at your business and say, in terms of my organization and what I do, whether I'm in the retail space, wholesale banking, investment banking, or I'm a peer-to-peer lender, whatever that might be, is understanding what are the risks that I'm faced with, and how do I understand that and flow that down to my organization, make sure I've got the people in the right places, make sure that they're sufficiently empowered, they have the appropriate training and skills, they can go and seek outside help if they need to, and all of these components to ensure that you've got a robust team to withstand the risks that are both internal and external, and also then to build for your success going forward.
Yeah, and I think on team, the theme that emerged most, I think, from the questions afterwards was really about intra-group arrangements. So it's not just about your team here on the ground in the UK or whatever jurisdiction you're based in. It's also about the teams that you rely on, whether that's within your group of companies or branches or outside. And I think particularly with the regulatory dialogue at the moment, they are most focused on whether firms outside of your jurisdiction understand the rules and ensure that those are being observed and implemented when you're managing your day-to-day operations.
Yeah, that's right. And hopefully then, as part of this, and this is, I guess, the lighter side of it, is learning forward and building for the next tournament and the next event, learning from those failures. And if you're an England fan, not if you're a South African rugby fan. And I think the overarching theme then is taking that holistic view of an organisation, understanding what those threats are, how you build for success, and how you appropriately reward your team. And Jake made the point about those third-party vendors. So we're increasingly now dependent as organisations on third-party suppliers, whether that's for critical IT services, for back and middle office functions, and ensuring that those arrangements are managed in a proportionate way, appropriate and proportionate to the risks that both now and in the future. And I think the other part of it is planning for the future as well. It's all very well to have that position looking at where you are now, but it's very, very important to look forward as well.